Be careful, honey. Be careful. Hati-hati, sayang. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Fitriani Ponno, Ponno. Okay, today we are going to learn bahasa Indonesia. Are you ready guys? Hari ini kita mau belajar bahasa Indonesia. Sudah siap? Are you ready? Sudah siap? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Today I'm going to read you a book. This book. The title of the book is Halo. Judul buku ini, title. Okay. The title of this book is Halo. Judul buku ini Halo. Okay, next. This is kindergarten book, but it's okay as long as we can learn bahasa Indonesia. It's okay, okay? This is kindergarten book. Okay. You can see around me there is a big tree. See? I am in the hall, badminton hall. Okay. Yes. Right. Halo. Halo. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Halo. Okay. If you meet someone, you can say hello. Hello. Or hello. Hi. Hello. 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 Okay. Cute. That's it. Senin pagi yang cerah. Senin pagi yang cerah. Sunny Monday morning. Senin pagi yang cerah. Cerah is a sunny. Sunny Monday. Senin Monday. Senin. The name of the day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. Senin, Monday, Senin, Senin, Monday. Pagi, morning, pagi, morning. This one. Yang cerah, sunny, sunny, cerah. So in English, sunny Monday morning. Senin pagi yang cerah. Okay. Senin pagi yang cerah. Next, Cican, this one. Cican bersemangat untuk pergi ke sekolah. Cican bersemangat untuk pergi ke sekolah. Bersemangat is very exciting to go to school. Cican, this is Cican, the name of the person. Cican bersemangat untuk pergi ke sekolah. School, sekolah. So, Cican very exciting, bersemangat, to go to school, untuk pergi ke sekolah. Okay. Do you understand? Yes, bahasa Indonesia very easy. Say it. I can do it. I can do it. Yes, you can do it. Easy. Next. Halo. Halo, Bunda Mimi. Halo, Cini. Selamat pagi. Bunda Mimi is the name of Cichan's mother. And Cini, the name of Cichan's sister. So this is Bunda Mimi, Bunda or mom, mother, mama, Bunda. It's the same. Cini is the name of Cichan's sister. Okay. So Cichan greet in the morning. Cichan greet his mom and his sister. Cichan said, "Halo Bunda Mimi, halo Cini, selamat pagi." So, halo Bunda Mimi, halo Cini, selamat pagi. So, Cichan greet his mom and his sister. Hello Bunda Mimi, halo Cini, good morning, selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Good morning. Good morning. Selamat pagi. If you meet someone in the morning, you can greet them like selamat pagi. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Easy. Okay. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good morning. Hi. Apa kabar? Selamat pagi. Okay, something like that. Next. Next. Halo, selamat pagi. Balas Cini dan Bunda Mimi bersamaan. Halo, selamat pagi. Balas Cini dan Bunda Mimi bersamaan. So, Bunda Mimi and Cini answer the greeting from Cichan. Okay, Bunda Mimi and Cini said, "Halo, selamat pagi." Yeah. So when Cichan greet in the morning, Cichan said, "Halo Bunda, selamat pagi." Halo Cini, selamat pagi. Cini and Bunda answer Cichan's greeting. Halo Cichan, selamat pagi. Something like that. Easy. So, do you want us to go to the next page? Let's go. I want you to say, I can do it. Because bahasa Indonesia very easy. Gampang sekali. Easy. Gampang. Okay. Next. Like this. Oh. And Ayah Didi siap mengantarkan Cichan ke sekolah. Ayah Didi siap mengantarkan Cichan ke sekolah. So, Ayah Didi, Didi is the name of Cichan's dad. This one. The name of Cichan's dad. So, ayah in bahasa Indonesia is father, dad, dad, father, dad. Not that, that mati, daddy, father, ayah, atau papa, or ayah, papa, or yes, papi. Yeah, in Indonesia, so many name for papa, ayah, papi. Yeah, it's like that. So, ayah Didi siap mengantarkan Cican ke sekolah. It's like this. Squat. I'm squat. Dad, Cican's dad, ayah Didi ya. Yeah, the name of Cican's daddy. Daddy, ready to take Cican to school. Take, mengantarkan. Or if you don't put any word here, only mengantarkan is deliver. But in the case of Cican, we use take, mengantarkan, take. So Daddy ready to take Cican to school, ke sekolah, to school. Okay, to school, ke sekolah, sekolah, school, sekolah, school, sekolah, school. Okay. Cican berangkat sekolah dulu ya. Cican berangkat sekolah dulu ya, kata Cican sambil melambaikan tangannya. So Cican said, I think Cican said to his mom and his sister, Cican berangkat ke sekolah dulu ya. Cican said, I want to go to school first. I go to school first. Cican wave, melambaikan tangan. Wave his hand. So you can say like this. Cican berangkat ke sekolah dulu ya. Bye-bye. Something like that. Cican waved his hand. Bye-bye. I go to school first. I go to school first. So, this is the case of Cican in the morning. Next. Hati-hati Cican, kata Bunda Mimi. Hati-hati is, if we translate it in English, hati is heart or liver. Hati-hati, heart. But in this case, in bahasa Indonesia, hati-hati is be careful. Hati-hati, this one. Hati-hati is be careful. Be careful, said Bunda Mimi, said his mom. Be careful, Cican. Hati-hati, Cican. So when you want to ask your friends or your mother, be careful, mom. Hati-hati, mom. Hati-hati, mama. Hati-hati, mama. Hati-hati, sayang. Be careful, honey. Be careful. Hati-hati, sayang. Okay. Do you want us to continue to the next page? I think we have to go to the next video. I will read you the next video in part 2. This is part 1. And let's read this book. Let's continue this book in part 2. Okay? don't forget to watch my video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your enthusiastic to learn bahasa Indonesia, because bahasa Indonesia easy, gampang. Bahasa Indonesia gampang, gampang sekali, very easy. Okay, if you like this video, you can subscribe and share on your social media. Okay, see you, bye bye on the other video. Bye bye.